After performing a reset on your BT YouView box, you might encounter several common issues. Understanding these problems and the different types of resets is crucial for effective troubleshooting. The first major issue is boot loop problems, where your YouView box gets stuck repeatedly restarting without ever completing its initialization process. The second common issue is network connectivity failures, where the box cannot establish a connection to your broadband internet after the reset. Third is software corruption, where incomplete firmware restoration creates functionality gaps in your YouView box's operation. Fourth, hardware recognition problems occur when external devices like USB drives or hard disks are no longer detected after the reset. Finally, service authentication errors prevent your BT account from linking properly with the YouView box, blocking access to your personalized services. Understanding the different types of resets is crucial for choosing the right recovery approach. There are three main types of resets available on your YouView box. A soft reset, also called a restart, only clears temporary memory while preserving all your settings and recordings. This is the gentlest option for resolving minor software glitches. A factory reset or hard reset completely restores your system to its default state. This erases all personal data, settings, and recordings, but is necessary for major software corruption issues. A network reset specifically targets connectivity settings while maintaining your other personalized configurations. This is particularly useful when dealing with broadband-related problems. Knowing which type of reset you performed and understanding your YouView box's indicators will help you choose the most appropriate recovery steps for your specific situation. When your BT YouView box encounters issues after a reset, there are systematic recovery methods you can follow. We'll walk through the most effective solutions step by step. The first and most effective recovery method is a complete power cycle. This process has an 85% success rate and should be your first approach. Follow these steps carefully. First, unplug the power cable and wait 30 seconds. Then disconnect both HDMI and Ethernet cables completely. When reconnecting, order matters. Connect the Ethernet cable first, then the HDMI cable, and finally the power cable. Wait 5 full minutes before attempting to use the box. Here you can see the Ethernet cables that provide your internet connection and the HDMI cables that carry the video signal to your television. If the power cycle doesn't resolve the issue, verify your network connection. Test your internet on other devices like your phone or computer to ensure your broadband is functioning properly. Check the BT Service Status website for any reported outages in your area. If other devices work fine but your YouView box doesn't connect, the issue is likely with the box itself. If network verification doesn't help, try a forced recovery boot. This bypasses corrupted system files and initiates automatic recovery mode. Hold down the physical power button on the box itself, not the remote. Keep holding while you plug in the power cable and continue holding for 10 seconds after the power light appears. The power button is located on top of the YouView box. Recovery mode can take 30 to 60 minutes to complete, so be patient and don't interrupt the process. Prevention is better than recovery. Follow these best practices to minimize future issues with your YouView box. These methods have proven success rates. The complete power cycle resolves 85% of post-reset issues. If these steps don't work, contact BT support for professional assistance. Remember, patience is key during recovery. Allow sufficient time for each step and don't rush the process. Most YouView box issues are software-related and completely recoverable.